Hi friends, welcome back to channel Spykar. In this video, I'm going to do the review of the Moto Edge 20 device after using close to 25 days of usage. Yes friends, it's been 25 days of usage and a few of the users, they want to know my complete review about the Moto Edge 20. Is it worth to buy right now in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale or not? Because right now in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, you can actually get the discount using the ICICI Bank and the Axis Bank. As you can see, 10% instant discount will be applicable and the price comes down to 28,749. So that's what the few of the questions, I did get a lot of questions as well. That's the reason I thought of making a video. So I'll try to discuss each and every aspect of what are the things I did like and what are the things you should know before you actually buy the Moto Edge 20 device. And let me know in the comment section below friends, in case if you want me to do any other comparison with other smartphones, I can definitely able to do that kind of comparison as soon as possible. First is regarding the performance. The phone has got the Snapdragon 778G processor and UFS storage 2.2 and LPDDR4 RAM type. These are the things you should definitely know about this device. And based upon the specifications, the annual benchmark score will come down close to 5 lakhs of benchmark score. 5,20,000 as you can see exactly benchmark scores. So if you consider the CPU throttling, so throttling is not happening much in this phone at this point. Let me just show you a couple of throttling screenshots. So overall the CPU can be throttled up to 75%. Not a huge, but I did not see any kind of red color indication. But overall in terms of the normal to medium usage, I can definitely recommend this mobile phone. But for the heavy gaming, maybe not for the heavy gaming, no. So I mean heavy gaming means if you want to play heavy games, the battery will be draining a lot and temperature will not increase much. I did not see much kind of temperatures and games will not be that optimized for the Snapdragon 778G. So hopefully in the future we may get update. I mean no 90 FPS at this moment in the Snapdragon 778G. That's the one thing you should definitely understand. So regarding the normal usage and medium usage, you should not have any issues at all. If you want to do only heavy intense kind of tasks like video editing applications, vlogging, those kind of things, then maybe the phone might become slightly slow for those kind of users. That's the one thing which I can definitely address you. So for the normal medium usage, no issues. And next regarding the display. And one more thing, this processor you are even getting close to 20,000 range as well in the Realme GT Master Edition. So this price comes close to 30,000, the Moto Edge 20. So you need to calculate even the price difference as well. And regarding the display also is really great in this Moto Edge 20. I did like the display in this phone to be, and which has got really good 144 Hz refresh rate and 576 Hz sampling rate. So in my usage of 25 days, I did not have any kind of problems with the display regarding the brightness or low brightness or high brightness, no issues. And even having the high touch sampling rate is also another biggest advantage for this device. I can definitely say that. And viewing angles are also really great and bezels are also really slim in this phone. So overall in the display segment, not a major problem at this moment. So next, let's move to the next topic regarding the camera part. So regarding the camera part, I'm kind of satisfied, kind of okay. I would say not the 5 out of 5. I cannot give the rating for this phone, but it's kind of really decent camera shots you can actually take in this device. In the low light photography is not that great, but outdoor photography is really good in this phone. That's I can definitely say that. Even if you use a G cam, doesn't matter, same problem. So outdoor photography with the zooming effect, you can actually go up to 30x of zoom. That's also possible. Wide angle, as you can see. Zooming capability is also really great. Even slow motion recording is also not bad, as you can see, slow motion. But 960 FPS slow motion you cannot record using this Moto Edge 20 device. That's another thing you should definitely understand. And the macro lens is, I did like the macro lens, which is really good. The macro video cam I did take, as you can clearly see here, which looks fantastic in this phone. I did record using the Moto Edge 20 Pro only. This is the shot. And front cam is also kind of really good, friends. No issues at all in terms of the front cam. You can actually do the front cam and back camera both at the same time. Recording is also possible in this phone. That's also option available in this device. Another thing. So front cam clarity you can clearly see here. It's very good. The outdoor clarity very good. I don't have any kind of problems with the front cam. So regarding the back cam, only low light photography is slightly kind of affected, but outdoor photography should not get affected regarding the zooming capabilities and everything. As you can see, the zooming capabilities, how much zoom I did do, as you can see clearly, friends, which is really good. So in terms of the camera point, kind of little bit kind of points decreased, some little bit optimization needed in the camera application. That's what I did feel. And next is regarding the connectivity is another biggest problematic in terms of the Wi-Fi connection, not in terms of the 4G. 4G no issues, but the Wi-Fi is slightly creating a problem. I'm not sure why in my unit. Even in the few of the units as well, in the Flipkart ratings, I did read a couple of reviews saying that the Wi-Fi signal strength is not that strong. So that's the same problem even I am facing right now. So I'm not getting that much kind of higher Wi-Fi speeds in this phone at this moment. I used to get a 90 Mbps and 80 Mbps in other phones, but this phone I'm not getting anywhere more than 30 and 40. That's another thing you should definitely understand regarding the Wi-Fi connectivity. If you're standing nearby the Wi-Fi router, you will get the high speeds. The moment you go for, you won't get that kind of high speeds in this Moto Edge 20 device. So that's another problem you should definitely note down. So 5G bands, there are more 5G bands, and 4G plus aggregation also no problem. 4cc, 3cc, everything is supported. So next is regarding the battery and the charging. How is the battery backup in this phone? Because phone has got only 4000 mAh of battery capacity, but do not underestimate this phone. If you don't do gaming, the battery backup is really good, really insane. If you do the gaming, the battery backup is not that great. So it depends upon you as well, what type of battery, what type of usage is yours. That's also depends. Minimum I'm getting, I think close to 6 to 7 hours I'm getting, friends, in my usage without any gaming included. So I'm not including any kind of games. So minimum 6 to 7 hours of screen on time I was able to get easily without any kind of issues in this Moto Edge 20 Pro device. That's another point which I thought of mentioning. And charging time takes about close to 50 to 55 minutes of charging time from 0 to 100% in my usage. That's the one thing which I did notice. Not bad in the charging speed as well. But overall, in my opinion, if you are doing the really very light, intense, not light usage, not intense usage, then it will be really good. If you're trying to use an intense kind of gaming, the battery backup will not be good. So that's the one thing which I can definitely say in this device. Next is regarding the build quality. Build quality is another biggest plus point for this phone because of this weight. As you can see, I can actually hold the phone in the very corner. As you can see, friends, exactly, it's very light. So very tall phone, like 6.7 inches screen size, and you do get very lightweight, 163 grams only. So this makes a lot of sense in terms of if you want the lightweight mobile phone with a huge screen, then this will be really good. Only thing is that I did not like the placement for the power button and the volume buttons. They should be kind of slightly positioned, little bit kind of bottom over here. That could be really reachable to that buttons, but it's not that. It's kind of really little bit. You will get to use this in the beginning. That's another thing which you should definitely take care. So there is no 3mm jack as well. There is no expandable memory. So all those kind of missing in this device. So in this price, we did see a couple of other phones also. There is no 3mm jack as well. In the price range and software updates and the UI, I forgot to mention. Stock UI experience, you will be getting no issues with the stock UI experience. And software updates is the one thing a lot of users are actually confused. Like, I think maybe the phone may get close to 2 annual updates. It's definitely possible in this device. So here's a quick update, friends, on the Moto Edge 20 device. After using 25 days of time, still I did have this kind of connectivity. Only one thing which is kind of bothering me at this moment. Apart from that, the rest of the things are completely really good in this Moto Edge 20 device. I did not have any kind of major problems or major issues in this Moto Edge 20. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, don't forget to check the links in the description and check the playlist as well for more details. Signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.